How to fix iPad update error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix the software update error on your iPad. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So if you are facing some type of issues whenever you're trying to update the software on your iPad, there could be multiple factors behind it and not just one particular reason. The first thing could be your slow internet connection. So I want you to go ahead and then open up settings and then go to the option which says Wi-Fi. So just go ahead and select Wi-Fi and then make sure that your Wi-Fi is actually working correctly. If that isn't the issue, the other thing which you can try to do is to simply go ahead and check whether or not you have enough storage available on your phone. So go ahead and then select the option called General. Once you go to General, select the option that says iPad storage. As you select iPad storage, here you will be able to see a list of required and then of available spaces on your iPad. So you want to actually calculate the size of the update you're trying to download. So if you have only 1 gigabytes available on your iPad and the storage or the update actually requires you 2 to 3 gigabytes of free storage, and that could be another reason why you're not being able to install the updates. So make sure that you have enough storage left on your device in order to update it to the latest version. And now what you can do is we will go ahead and then come back to General over here, and we will select the option that says software update. Once you go to software updates over here, you'll see all sorts of options. Now we will go ahead and try to simply install the update. As you can see, we have the iOS 15.7 available for iPad OS. So just go ahead and then select the option that says download and install, and then enter your password over here and then go ahead and then install it, restart it, and make sure you have also enough battery. I would also recommend you to simply leave it to charge when you're trying to update your iPad. If your iPad actually battery drains down while actually updating to the latest version, you could have a breaker device on your hand. So make sure that is not the case, and hopefully this video solved your problem. If it did help solve your problem, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.